Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track radio out of a 69 Plymouth Dodge 8-track B body. I'm sorry, it's out of a 69 Charger. This comes from Ignacio, all the way from Miami, Florida. Ignacio has requested the modern internal conversion to add FM, a heck of a lot more output power because we got a new harness on here, and he's also requested the HD and Bluetooth features. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can do some demonstrations during talk radio where I won't get nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn it on to AM.
Room, but his vision dimmed with age. He had
so we're going to
macular
get our speaker meters for this one.
And since partnering with a
original balance control,
an advanced form of dry AMD called geographic atrophy, or GA.
Left.
His struggle with vision loss made me want to help others know about GA's.
Okay, and since this is now a 4-speaker radio, we also have a virtual front-rear fader. It's in the tone control. I'm going to demonstrate how we adjust that right now.
Many have trouble seeing in the dark, making driving at night difficult.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the tone control is adjusting our front-rear speaker balance.
Don't wait. Treatments
and you can adjust it as long as you want to. And when you finish adjusting it,
for GA and go
Fader
it'll say Fader set.
Okay,
Honey, I love the patio, but I'm so tired of constantly cleaning and covering the furniture. Then sometimes it's too cold or too hot or windy, and the bugs are horrendous.
We should go see.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, and so we're not going to do all that. In 90 seconds later, she'll say pairing not completed. So let's move over to FM. And the way we do it on this model is to turn the radio off and then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. So we're on AM right now. We're going to go off on. And now we're on FM. And we'll just run it down the dial. Make sure we pick up a few FM stations.
Tus capacidades, sé profesional de tu hogar.
Power and a high of 68. Don't have to mow no lawn. Going for all.
He's been a really good leader for us.
And
you hear.
That's probably it for the FM band. Okay, let's try the 8-track.
True. Get out and one-way ticket to the honey. Won't you stay your life? You're the answer.
Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Alrighty, and I don't get HD stations in my area, but when I did the setup procedure, it did recognize the HD board, so we should be okay there. And let's make sure the dial light works. You probably can't see it, but I can, and it is flashing on and off in response to my pushing and releasing the button. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my prices, options, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which leaves me an extra 15 minutes to put my workmanship into your unit when it arrives. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Ignacio, for your business all the way from Miami, Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.